Nature wisdom. Mind your food, mind your body. You care for your health, you care for your body. The universe provides everything. Even a mere wild grass contains plenty of benefits for human body. A shade of leaf, a piece of flower. A sprig of stem. A fruit. Roots and tubers. All of those bring natural benefit to human beings. Nature wisdom is your body's best friend. The closer your consumption to nature, the better nutrition you get. Nature wisdom packs and mixes it for you. 100% pure and natural. Change its natural composition as minimum as possible. Brew by Nature Wisdom, originated from leaves, flowers, and pure roots. Helps your body receive electrolyte, alkaline, and antioxidant naturally. Nature Wisdom. Mind your food, mind your body.